Alright guys, today I'll be using OPCOM to program in my cruise control on my Vauxhall Corsa D. It's pretty simple really, and I'll show you how to do it. You will need obviously OPCOM and the plug, and also the security pass or Vauxhall pass. You'll need one of them. So let's get to it. So to start off with, you want to put your key in and turn it onto the second click on the ignition. You want to put your OPCOM plug into the OBD port, which is there. So you want to load up your OPCOM or VOXCOM, however it is. This is the clone one, I suppose. So yeah, click on the diagnostics, and you want to select your car. So mine's 2008. It's a Corsa D. And then first of all, we'll start off with the engine because you don't need the code for that. 1.2. Then you want to go down to programming, and you want to go to program variant configuration. You want to click this. I've already done it, so it'll say normally not present. You click present, and then just click perform coding. So now you want to go back and close off this, which is the engine module. Click back again, and you want to click on the body. Now load that up, and then you want to click on, we can do it on the instrument first, because I'll need programming. Click program, and you want to click program variant configuration again with this, and then it'll load up this. Then you want to go next, and you want to go next again, and then you go to cruise control, and you'll select this setting at the side, and then you want to click present or not present. Obviously you'd click present, yeah, and then obviously you'd click program, but it's already selected and programmed into mine. You will need to put your security code in usually, but I've already put mine in, so I didn't need to. And then you want to go to BCM or body control module. Click on that. When we did the wire, the BCM's over there, so that's actually be the steering module, which is part of the instrument, which we ran the cable from to the BCM. So now we're activating it in the BCM because it's already activated in the steering. So then you want to go to programming and program variant configuration. That's when you put your code in. So now you've entered in your code, you want to just click OK. And it'll read the current variant configuration with the code. So the code's been accepted. There you go, it's loaded. You want to go next, and then you want to go to cruise control, select this, and click present, and then click program. Obviously, I've already done it, so I don't need to, but that's basically how you do it. I would make sure to take note of the of programming variant configuration that's already on it, so that if something goes wrong you can select them all back in, so you know. It shouldn't do, but just as like a backup. And also I'd put on a battery tender whilst you're doing it at the same time. I didn't, but you could do it. It's like the more professional way of doing it, I suppose. So yeah, that's it for the cruise control videos. That's all you'll need to do. Run the wire, do the programming. That's for the Corsa D anyway, but I'm pretty sure other Vauxhalls are very, very similar of this sort of year. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please comment, rate and subscribe. I really do like the comments. I love responding, helping. I also love tips. I have a bit of an issue with my steering wheel. The cheap Vauxhall quality, as you can see, the steering wheels, they're not the best. Yeah, so I'd love to be able to sort that out. If anyone knows if you can get like a nice stitched cover or something from somewhere or something like that, I don't know, or a new steering wheel. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you later.